Are you feeling a bit annoyed because the FaceTime app seems to have vanished from your iPhone's home screen? You're not alone. This can happen for a few reasons like accidentally deleting the app, setting restrictions, or even organizing your apps in a way that hides it. But no need to fret. I've got your back with some super simple solutions to help you bring FaceTime back to where it belongs. So let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check if FaceTime is deleted. First, swipe down on your home screen to open the search feature. Next, type FaceTime into the search bar. If you see FaceTime pop up in the search results, just tap on it to open the app. If it's not there, don't worry. Let's move on to the next solution. Solution 2. Check for restrictions. Now open the Settings app on your iPhone. After that, scroll down until you find Screen Time and tap on it. Next, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure that the Allowed Apps option is turned on. Lastly, check to see if that FaceTime is allowed. Solution 3. Check Hidden Apps. First, open the Settings app. Then, scroll down and tap on General. After that, scroll down and select iPhone Storage. Next, scroll down to the very bottom and tap on Hidden Apps. If you find any hidden apps here, try to unhide them. Solution 4. Reset Home Screen Layout. Now open the Settings app. Then, tap on General. After that, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap on Reset and then choose Reset Home Screen Layout. Finally, confirm your choice. This action will reset your home screen layout to factory defaults, which should bring the FaceTime app back to its original spot. Solution 5. Reinstall FaceTime. If you did end up deleting FaceTime, you can easily reinstall it. First, open the App Store. Then tap on the search bar. Type in FaceTime. If you see a download button, go ahead and tap it to reinstall the app. By following these steps, you should be able to get the FaceTime app back on your home screen. If this guide was helpful, make sure to subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and stay tuned for our next video.